Staying up to date with your students' workload is the key to success in Canvas. Once you log in daily to your dashboard, you will see announcements, the calendar, and the to-do list. This will help you and your student manage their workload. On the right side of your screen, you can see where you have an option to go into View Calendar, and that calendar will be color-coded by course. So when the teachers design their course, they pick a color. So those colors, then your assignments will be color-coded. So right now you can see I have it set to week. If I go to the month, you can see where I have assignments and how they're color-coded. Back at the main screen again, at your dashboard, you'll see assignments that are coming up that are due. They'll be on a to-do list. You'll see recent feedback from a teacher. So all of your current items that you want to check daily will be here.